I got A2 for physics, quite satisfied. I actually joined Blue3 when I was P6 and I took science, which helped me to boost my score from a C to an A. So I decided to join them when my physics was really bad in Sec 3. I would recommend Blue3 to my juniors because for one, the teachers are very helpful, really with you for every clarification that you need, and the notes are really nice too. Every topic has a book of notes, which really helped me.